Hello YouTube, this is Don from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul from Tuesday morning. I was out of town, about over 3 hours away from home, and the hotel that we were staying was, of course, near a college campus, and I mean, it was like perfect spot. They had a Hobby Lobby, Tuesday morning, and a Michael's, and I didn't think I would be able to find anything because when I say across from each other, literally like within walking distance from each other. And I was surprised. All of them had stuff I hadn't seen at home, and a lot of goodies. Um, so anyway, I did not get everything I saw. They had a ton of dyes at Tuesday morning. So anyway, I just jumped right in to show you some of the stuff I got. Some of the stuff we have at home, but they just had different versions of the same thing, like the Inka Dinka Doo stamps. Now we do have these. I already hauled some of these, but we have these out now this week. But they had them, I think, sooner. Anyway, so this is one of them. Again, this can be used as regular stamps. This is actually a regular stamp. It's $1.49, and you can see the SKU number. You can also use these like these with this gear. This stamping gear actually makes the images are very close together when you stamp them out, and they stamp them out in pattern. So it makes like a spirograph design versus just like a circular pattern or edge pattern, but it actually makes like a spirograph design. But you do not have to have the stamping gear. You can just stamp these as regular stamps. They work just like regular stamps. This is just an extra bonus, and I do have that. And these are great for multimedia backgrounds as well. And that's the SKU and the good prices. You know, and they'll tell you if you can use it with the round, oval, or square, or the cogs. So like that's a circle one. So you see how it becomes, that's this shape right here, and it becomes that look. So it doesn't just look like they're next to each other. It actually turns into a different shape if you actually look at it. The design looks totally different when you put it together like that. So it's like a spirogram. But anyway, so that's that one. I like these for multimedia backgrounds when you're doing like your art journals and stuff like that. And you can also use these on cards, because I made them on background cards. I used to make these a lot when I do my hand gift wrapping paper. I buy the Dollar Tree roll of like the craft, and I would make these spirograph on it, and then I would put people's names and stuff in it. So like when I was doing the parking letters, I used to make a lot of these designs, and made my own gift wrapping paper. So that's those. And then I also got this other Inka Dinka Doo, which I may do a video on that later, showing you how I made some of that. Excuse me. But this one I thought had some nice sentiments about being sick or whatever, getting well. So they would be nice stamps. This I already own. I picked this up for somebody who asked me to pick that up for him. And I got this one. I do have pretty much all the ones that they have already out, I already have. And this is a good price, $3.99. The circle ones work really well. Which ones I don't like are the border ones that match these. They tend to, I struggle with those, but I haven't had any problem with these. And I have, I think, 7 of these, so this would be number 8. They cut out fine. But it's the border ones that match these that I struggle with. They don't work too well, so I really don't buy those. But I didn't have this particular shape. And that's the SKU number. Just in case somebody was wondering. I did pick up this Bo Bunny paper. And you've probably seen it, Felicity Collection. I just like the colors. Sorry about that light. The lamp is right there. And this is the little ephemera pack that goes along with it. And that is the SKU on that one. And that is, where's the SKU? On the paper pad. And this is going back because I picked up an extra by mistake of this one, but I already had that. And then I got the Joy Parade by Fancy Pants. Those cards, let me show that number is upside down. And that's what the cards look like. And I did get one sticker set. That was $1. One thing that I did notice at a couple of the Tuesday mornings, the paper line by Bo Bunny with the cook on it, the cook chef, whatever it's called. Some of them were selling them as individual sheets for $1 when you could buy the 25 pack for $2.99. So I couldn't figure out why they were doing that, unless maybe their packs broke loose. But I saw that at a couple of different stores, actually 3 different Tuesday mornings at home. They had them as individual sheets, and then the other 4 had them as packs for $2.99. So I'm like, well, I paid 99 cents when you get a whole 25 of them for for $2.99. But anyway, did pick this one up, and that is the skew on that one. And that's the back side. And I saw this one, and I had to get this one because you don't get too many faith ones. Excuse me. But this one's tags and tabs and banners. So yeah, I'm gonna do a lot of fussy cutting on this one. And again, the back side is just as pretty too. And that is the skew if you're looking for that one. And that's Bo Bunny, 25 sheets. So yeah, I was excited to find that. I got 3 to 4 by 6 boutique self-sealing bags, and they were 99¢. And that is the skew right there, if you can see it. This lighting is cool. And I did get this Maggie Holmes, which I think I already have. And then I got this Bella Boulevard, which I do have the paper collection to that one. But this is just the ephemera to go along with the tags that I got in the paper pad, the 6x8. And then, let's see. They had some dies that we didn't have at home. Oh, I think I had this one. This is the Carpet Diem one. I'm pretty sure I had that one. And that's the skew. I did get the We Are Family Simple Stories for $1.99. So I did get a couple House Mouse stamps on the House Mouse. Okay, so something missing, but anyway, here's one of the House Mouse. We really didn't get a lot of those at home. I know I got the Bride and Groom somewhere. And that one. I got this wood set by Bo Bunny for $1.99. Oh, here's another House Mouse. And there's another one right here too, I know. And that's the number for that one. Now, this was interesting. Oops, let me see. Where is the other one at? There's another House Mouse on my desk, and I don't see it at the moment. Oh, here it is. Now, for the dies, I got this at my Tuesday morning before I went out of town. And I know these people that was putting it out, it was a couple of people there and not young, and they've been working there for a long time, and I was trying to figure out, like, why you have them like this. They had quantity 2-pack, and they had all of these out like this in 2-packs. I already own this now. But they were selling the 2-packs for $5.99. I said, is that right? And it was like, yeah. So I went to 2 different Tuesday mornings, and they had them like that. The rest of them all had them individual packs. So in here for $5.99, and she said it was right. So I don't know. They have 2 others. I just got them just to keep as giveaways because they are nice to have these. But yeah, so I don't know. But it says quantity 2, and they said that's what they're supposed to be. That didn't make sense to me. I mean, I thought it was just telling you quantity 2. You're supposed to take them out the pack. I don't know, unless they were just being extremely lazy. But both of them were up there saying no. And like I said, I've been going to that store for a long time, and they know me, and I know they know that store because they're not new employees and they're not young kids. But that's what they said. Anyway, so excuse me. This is the Evolution Advance. One of the designs. This is a gift card holder, $7.99, and I'm sure you've seen that one. So I hadn't seen it by my house, but they had it out of town, so I got it. Hadn't seen this one by my house either. And this is amazing paper grace, and it was $6.99, and that's the skew on this one. And the thing I did like about this is a 4-piece. This is a classic elegance label, and that is the spell binders. I used to check that number, see examples when I'm buying something, if I'm trying to design it. Google spell binders and that number and see examples. The thing I did like about this is that this right here gives you that little cut into the paper right there and right there, so you can insert something in it so it doesn't cut the top, but just that bottom piece so that you can insert your own piece of paper in it. I didn't own any dials like that, so I wanted that one. And this is another one. This is by Stacey Karen Designs. And this is a 2-piece set. So this is a nice big frame. And then that centerpiece right there, you can just stick a sentiment in there. So, yeah, that's like a 5x7. Yep. And then this last die, which I thought was nice too. None of these have I seen in my area. And that's a nice big die too. And this is the Naples medallion, and that's the number up there. That's a Stacey Karen, and that one's pretty big too. Almost a 6x6. So I believe that is the end of my haul. So that's what I got from Tuesday morning. I also will come back and show you my haul from Michael's and Hobby Lobby when I was out of town. All right, thanks for watching, taking care, liking, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative.